I'm sick right now. I cannot find my GoPro 7. I've looked everywhere. This is driving me nuts. I can't do nothing. Well, I can technically with my phone, but my GoPro's dope. So I'm gonna try to find it today, y'all. That's why haven't been a lot of content. But the beast is sitting right there. Y'all see, she looking good. I just smoked a pink Challenger too. I wanted to have that on my GoPro, but I can't find it. So y'all help me. Help me. Pray the GoPro gods that I find my GoPro, please. Alright, that's a squad.